Hi guys, this is Pranesh, and in today's class I am going to explain about the nested if else statement. Let me zoom in. Yeah, is it okay for everyone? Wait a second. Yeah, nested if else statement is nothing but it is an if else statement inside another if else statement is called nested if else statement. If a program has to select one among more than two alternatives, then nested if else statement is used. Okay, I will write the syntax for this. The syntax is if condition 1 if condition 2 open the bracket and give some statement 1 and close the bracket, else statement 2 and close the bracket. Or else open the bracket if condition statement then close the bracket and then else statement 4 and then close the bracket. So this is the syntax for this, just note it down. Now I will explain the program right away. Here the program is, wait a second. Yeah, write a Java program to find the largest of three numbers using nested if else statements. Okay, now I'll write down the programs for this. Yeah, let me zoom this. Yeah, is it okay for everyone? Okay, and I will write it as largest of 3, largest of 3. Let me declare some values int a b c, system dot out dot println, enter the values of a comma b and c. A is equal to sc dot nest int and just copy paste it. B is equal to and c is equal to sc dot nest, and just write the condition if a is greater than b, open the bracket and write another condition if a is greater greater than see system out dot print ln a is largest close the bracket or else system dot print ln c is largest. Close the bracket and close the other one, so the if condition is closed, and next one will be else yeah. What is the condition I have written? Yeah, if b is greater than c is greater than c, I will copy paste it for time's sake. Control C, Control N. C is largest. Okay, and just close the brackets and write else. Open the brackets and write the condition C is largest. I forgot writing this, B is largest. Okay, and then close the brackets. Brackets has been closed. Now just say what I have said in the class program, largest of 3. I am saying this program file, save as, yeah, largest of 3 dot java, save. The program is now saved. Yeah, that's all. Let's open the command prompt cmd java c largest of 3 dot java something written wrong. Total values, sorry. Simple mistakes will not get the output sometimes. Okay, let me save this. Control S. Yeah, the program is correct now. Let me zoom. Okay, just of 3 enter the value 7 9 31. C is the largest. I have entered C is 31, so I have got the output as C is the largest one. Okay, so we can so let's go to the another program. Let me close the command prompt. Yeah, write a Java program to find the largest of 4 numbers using nested if else statement. Simple, but a simple this one is similar to the largest of 3, but a small correction is needed. A simple code I should enter. So let me open and let me save this file as largest of 4. largest of 4 now, so let me enter the city. B, C and D. Yeah, and let me write one next one. D is equal to SC dot nest int. SC dot nest int. Yeah, and write the condition if A is greater than B is up to here it is correct, but I am going to write another one condition inside the if. Right, if A is greater than D, then A is largest. Okay, else D is largest. Everything will be same. Let me close it on the bracket. Yeah, else if B is greater than C, here I should write another one condition. What is that? If B is greater than D. If B is greater than if B is greater than D, close the bracket. System of B is largest, else D is largest. Insert the brackets. After this condition, I have to write another condition. Else one second, guys. If C is greater than D, open the bracket. Sorry. C is largest. C is largest. Close the bracket. Else D is largest. Yeah, it's perfect. Close the bracket. And then back to perfect. Now save this file as largest of 4. Control C. I'll save as largest of 4 dot Java. The file has been saved. Largest of 4. Yeah, is saved here. Just open the command prompt. cmd Java C largest of dot. Yeah, it's perfect. Just enter the program. Yeah, just enter the values of B 55, 66, 77, 88. D is the largest. Let me test with another one. 88, 77, 66, 55. See, A is the largest. Okay, let's close this. And what's the next program? Write a Java program which reads the user and password from the user and check the login credentials. Anyway, it is like a login ID. Enter the username and the password name. That's it. Nothing to think about it. Let me write this program. Yeah. Let me erase all those things so that it will be easy for everyone. Go from the phone. Yeah. Let me save this program as login credentials. Login credentials. Okay. Now just enter the string name. string string username. Username is equal to PRANESH at the rate ai.com. Just remember this one while entering so that it will be valid. Username ai.com. Okay. Int password. Password is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 comma pwd. Okay. um, system dot out dot println. Enter the username. Enter the username. Name is equal to sc.test. Password. Control C. Enter the password. PASSWORD. Password will be in, I'm giving in an integer now, so I'm giving the integer sc dot nesting int is sc dot nest int. Yeah, now I am writing the condition. If in the bracket user name dot uls equals uname. password. Sorry, I written PWS PWD. Password equal to PWD. Valid credential is successful, right? It is. Valid credentials. Login is successful. Or else invalid. Invalid password. Please try again. Let's close this. Else. Open the bracket. Invalid password. Try again. Let's close this. Yeah, brackets has been closed. And let me save this file. Login credentials. Control C. Save as. Login credentials dot Java. Now let's open the command prompt. cmd. Yeah. Java C login credentials dot Java. Somewhere I missed the spelling mistake. It is showing that variable sc scanner one error. Check. Let me open that file again. Nest IND is right. Everything is when the mistake are done. Password is correct. PWSC.nest. Second, guys. I rectified the mistake, guys. Sorry. I written the spelling mistake. Nest. Okay, let me save this. open the command prompt. Let me try once again. Yeah, it's right, fine. Okay, a small spelling mistake will give a huge impact on the output. Okay, login credentials. Yeah, enter the username. What was the username I have mentioned here? Pranesh tech, and you copy paste it. Enter the password 12345. Login is successful. Let me test with another one. Enter the username, something I have given. Enter the password. Sorry. Enter the username I will give. Password will be integer type now. See, invalid password. Try again. Okay. The program has success. Let me go for the another question. Last question for today's class. Write a Java program which accesses a number and check whether the number is divisible by 5 or not, and if not, print the nearest number from the given number which is divisible by 5. Okay, this is the question. String, in the previous question what I did is I have taken one username as string and I given the something NESTED.com, and I am writing the condition as username is equal. In a words, if we want to equal, we have to write username dot equals. Then only what are the username we are giving in the username, it will equal. If I given the integer, then we should write equal. For string name operator, we cannot write equals is equal to like this. It will not give us. We have to write equals. Then only we will get the output. Okay. So let me go for the another question. Printing the nearest condition. Now let me erase all those things. Nearest number. Nearest number. Let me write the code for this. Int n comma r system dot out dot println. Enter the value of n. N is equal to sc dot nest int. Now I am writing the condition if percent of 5 equal to 0, the condition I have open the bracket and then system dot out dot print ln is divisible by 5. Let's close the brackets. Else open the brackets or of 5 if r greater than 2. Copy paste. Nearest number is equal to plus n minus r plus 5. Else system dot auto print nearest number equal to plus n of n minus r. Let me save this program as close with the bracket. Nearest number, save this program as nearest number. Control C. 5 minus control V dot Java. Java C dot Java. Yeah. Enter the value of n. It is divisible. Let me enter the other one. 7. See, its nearest number will be 7. Okay. That's all for today's class, guys.